Hello everybody, Ele-Chris-ity here, and today we're water cooling a PC. I recently built a PC, which is right over here, that one, with the lights on, but I didn't have time to water cool it, so I ended up putting the stock cooler, air cooler, onto the CPU. And now I want to actually start water cooling it. I am going to be using an EKWB water cooling kit. I bought this at Micro Center. I don't remember how much it was, but I can look that up and put that in the description below. Now that you're prepared, let's start working it. So that's it. The CPU has been water cooled. The next step would be to water cool the graphics card. Ho ho. That's gonna be for another day. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.